city of Patan. I think Ahmedabad is around 250 kilometers from here, which we are heading next tomorrow. And somewhere around in this area only our hotel is booked. I'm not sure about this area, how the people are driving here. It reminds me of Pune actually. The way these people are driving, parking anywhere. We are back in metro cities. Good morning and welcome to day 10 of our vlog. We are in Patan right now and we are heading towards our final stay, that is in Kevadia, which is near Statue of Unity. So today we are going to cover Sun Temple and try to see the Patan house. No, Patiala house. है ना? Patola house. So Patan is famous for its Patiala sarees. It takes around 1 year of handicraft to just make one sari. So imagine the amount of effort it is required. And now we are heading towards Sun Temple. From there we will try to visit Atlas Stepwell as well. And the Sun Temple is famous because the Tropic of Cancer passes through it. So yeah, let's enjoy the vlog. So we are finally here in Modhera and that's the entrance for Sun Temple. Time is around 10 o'clock. There's our bikes. So speciality about this temple is its stepwell and also the architecture. So one fun fact about this temple is the Tropic of Cancer used to pass from this temple right here. But since the earth by time tilts, the line has passed nearby. Okay, so that was Sun Temple and now we are heading towards Ahmedabad, and on the way the Tropic of Line which passes now currently, there's the board, so we are heading out there now. Tropic of Cancer is passing from here. I think now we are on the outskirts of Ahmedabad. And from here, Atlas Stepwell is around 20 minutes now. आरजी की स्टाइल तो देखो. Okay, so now we are in outskirts of Ahmedabad and once we take this right, we will reach Atlas. This is the parking right here. Done with all the spots. ये देखो इधर है सफर बगीरा. बाइक का नाम बगीरा है. So that was Adlash Ki Vav, and this is the school picnic they have come. करो ना ये सर्च. हाय करो हाय. हाँ ये देखो. चलो बाय बाय. So this road ahead goes to Ahmedabad airport, and now I'm taking a left because I think there is one expressway which connects the whole Ahmedabad to Kevadia, but I think bikes are not allowed on that road. So let's take the outer ring road. And this road right here goes towards Mumbai. हम कल जाएंगे कल. Okay. Welcome to city of Vadodara, or so called in Hindi as Baroda. We are now crossing Vadodara to reach Kevadia, which is approximately 2 hours now, and around 100 kilometers. So time is 5 o'clock. Let's head out. So I just took a left from the Vadodara Dabhor highway, and I have to continue on 80 kilometers on this road. I think few patches of this road are bad. Let's see. Beautiful sunset behind me. कहाँ गए? This is our stay right here. So guys, finally we have made it to hotel in near Statue of Unity. So we are staying in this hotel called BRC Hotel. BRG, nare? Hotel BRG. This is our stay. This is the hotel room. There's our luggage. इधर संघर्ष है. इधर हम लोग बुकिंग कर रहे हैं जस्ट. इधर हम लोग बुकिंग किया नहीं था, तो हम लोग डायरेक्ट आके चेक इन कर रहे हैं पहले, एंड देन कल हम लोग विजिट करेंगे स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी. फाइनली मेड इट टू द होटल स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी. आज हमारा फाइनल डे है. कल निकलेंगे मुंबई के लिए. तो अभी डिनर करेंगे और थोड़ा एरिया घूम लेंगे. Let's go. Are, are. So good morning and welcome to Safari Bagheera. Today is the last day of our vlog. We are right now in Kevadia, which is near Statue of Unity. That's the hotel behind us and that's Bagheera. So today we will be exploring the Statue of Unity and surrounding areas. And tonight we will be leaving for our homes, that is in Mumbai. आज मैं इतना खुश हूँ, फाइनली मुझे इतने दिनों बाद चिकन मिला है. थोड़ा हाथ अड़ूंगा और वो भी मैगडी. मैं और सायरा जी आया हूँ इधर ब्रेकफास्ट करने. तो टुडे आज हम लोग एक्सप्लोर करेंगे स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी एंड द सराउंडिंग एरियाज. एंड हम लोग आज रात को ही निकलेंगे फॉर मुंबई. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सीरीज अंटिल नाउ. आई होप यू गाइस लाइक इट. बहुत मज़े आए, बहुत राइड में बहुत एंजॉय किया. बाइक्स के भी इश्यूज आए थे एक दो, बट ठीक है, वो तो सब राइड में होते ही है. बाकी सब ठीक, बस चल रहा है. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं जंगल सफारी के लिए. और एक वी स्टार्टेड विद जंगल सफारी एंड एंडिंग आवर जर्नी ऑल्सो विद जंगल सफारी. तो यहाँ पे एक बस स्टॉप है, SBB बस स्टॉप, एंड द बसेस हियर आर ऑल्सो फ्री. सो यू कैन रोम अराउंड ऑल द सिटी फॉर फ्री. हम सब जा रहे हैं अब मुंबई लोकल. टिकट Guys, there's the statue. भाई बहुत बहुत बड़ा है. दादर पुणे. So that was it for the zoo. Now we are heading towards our hotel back again, and then in evening we will visit the Statue of Unity. So there is a baby Bagheera. Look at her condition from yesterday's ride. I have washed my lights, so they are looking clean, but otherwise there was a muddy patch in between, so that's why all this sticky mud. That's Pawan's bike, and those are all the bikes around there. Oh, last evening in Gujarat feels so good that we have accomplished so much with this bike, and this was my first ever such a long ride. And yeah, this is an addiction, man. I think there will be more upcoming rides ahead. and I will keep you guys updated on it. So stay tuned. So guys, we have finally made it to Statue of Unity. We have booked the last slot of 4 to 6 p.m. Now time is around 5:15. So we are now entering the security zone. गणपति बप्पा हर हर. We are on the way home. और चाय की साइज देखो गाइस, ये चाय पी के नींद उड़ना ही चाहिए. क्या बोलते हैं?
नींद नहीं, गाड़ी भी उड़ेगा.
We are on the way home now. Cross Surat and Navsari. It is showing 4.5 hours to reach home. Somewhere near here. चलो घर पे. We made it, boys. Time is 6:15 a.m. and we have finally made it back to our pavilion. Thank you guys for watching and keep supporting.